Just recently had a request in which the user wants to be able to modify the board thickness once it's actually pushed from Eagle to Fusion. So I'm going to go ahead and load a board, which basically has no edits. It's just directly from Eagle over to Fusion, and I saved it. As you could see, you'll notice that on my timeline, I only have the PCB at this moment. Step number one you should do is go ahead and roll the timeline in front of the PCB. And go ahead and define a sketch. The sketch is on this X and a Y. There's a sketch. I'm going to go ahead and rename my sketch. You don't have to do this step, but I like doing it. That way I know from all the sketches I have which one is actually going to belong to the PCB, and click on Stop Sketch. Now I'll go ahead and roll my timeline to after the PCB. I'll select the PCB and click on Edit. Okay. Now I want to go ahead and click on Modify. I want to copy the Eagle profile. Okay. I want to deselect construction. I want to deselect fix, and I want to copy the profile here as well. I'll go ahead and click OK. Next step is I want to actually make the modification to my profile. So I'll select the PCB profile, which is actually this body we have right here. Here's my thickness, my default thickness of 1.57. In this example, I'm going to change it to 3 millimeters. And now I got to select the origin. Here's the important part. This is the origin of the previous board. You actually have to use the same origin from the previously defined board. So I'll click on here as well and click OK. Now when we click on Finish PCB, you notice that now we've gone from 1.57 millimeters to 3 millimeters. Okay. Now you could go ahead and save your board, and this is how you change the thickness of your board. Hopefully this helps. Have a great day.